The job market is down. The rumors are true. Many are losing their jobs to the AI and automation revolution. Many, but not all. Today's technology has helped us automate and eliminate the need to do smaller manual tasks and focus on the bigger things that need more skills and effort. This means we now have more time to focus on building and creating better products, services, and systems. However, several studies show that a whopping 81% of companies globally experience a shortage in the availability of employable candidates. But who is an employable candidate? From talking to various recruiters, hiring managers, and HRs, we've come to understand that in 2023, the ideal employable candidate must have specialized skills that are needed in the industry, like automotive design, CFD, embedded systems, or data science and analytics. The candidates must also have the experience and practice to pick things up quickly without the need for much training. Let's go through how you can get both the things that I had mentioned and become an ideal candidate. Let's start with getting the skills. There are multiple options available in the industry today, be it CFD, CAE, and automotive design for mechanical engineers, or EV and embedded systems for electrical engineers. Once you've chosen your domain of interest, you can start learning their fundamentals, mastering their tools, and other technical practices in their domain. For example, a CFD engineer needs to learn fundamental mathematical models and tools like OpenFOAM and ANSYS. You can also choose to get certified to become a certified skilled candidate. This checks out requirement number 1, becoming a skilled candidate. Now, for the second requirement, you need to practice applying the skills in real scenarios. The best way to do this, as we've always said, is to work on projects. At least 10 of them to learn how these skills translate from theory to actuality. This gives you the experience and practice to join a company and pick tasks up immediately without the need for training, thereby checking out requirement number 2. This is the exact process that every one of our students go through on their coursework with Skill-Lync. With our handpicked PG programs, these students developed in-demand skills, received hands-on training from our experts, worked on industry-relevant projects, and made a commanding entry into the industry as industry-ready engineers. This is what we've always striven to do ever since we started out back in 2015. We are here to help you throughout your journey to becoming industry-ready. So schedule a call with us today.